Welcome back to Little Maple English. I'm your teacher, Joanne. Today, we're going to talk about present continuous. So when do you use present continuous? You use it when actions are happening now. So like around now. For example, you can say, I am studying now. You see, the action is happening right now. She is working today. So it's happening around now. She's working today. So let's take a look at the sentence structure. So first, always remember to write your subject, and am is are, and verb plus ing form. For example, you could say, I am eating, they are talking, he is reading. Spelling rules for ing is very, very important. Most verbs, you just add an ing, such as work, working. But when verb ends with E, you cannot just add ing. You have to drop the E and write ing. The verb make ends with E, so you drop an E and add ing, which makes it make to making. When a verb ends with one vowel and one consonant, you have to write in double consonant. So run ends with one vowel, U, and one consonant N. You add an extra N and write ing. So run, running. Now that you know the ing form, we're going to move on to talking about negative form of a present continuous tense. First, write your subject, and then am, is, are, depending on what subject you use, and add not, and then verb plus ing. For example, I am not sleeping. She is not listening. They are not studying. But remember, negative form can be used with a contraction. So instead of saying I am not sleeping, you can say I'm not sleeping. She is not listening to she isn't listening or she's not listening. They are not studying to they aren't studying or they are not studying. Let's take a look at the question form. The sentence structure of a question form always starts with am, is, or are. Then subject, then verb plus ing follows. And don't forget your question mark to show that it is a question. For example, you could write, are you working now? Is she cooking? Am I speaking too fast? With present continuous, it will be very helpful for your listener or reader when you add and time words. That way they know when exactly it's happening. So common time words are like now, right now, at the moment, or today. For example, instead of saying I'm studying, it'll be better if you say I am studying right now. So the listener or the reader instantly knows that this action is happening right now. Next example is he is working today. So here, if you just say he is working, we don't know if he's working now, right now, or at the moment. So the audience will pretty much know that this action will be happening today. So what's the difference between present and present continuous? Present simple is used when it is in a routine and used with adverb of frequency, like always or usually, like I work every day. Every day means that it's a daily routine. So you would use present simple. Whereas present continuous is an action that's happening now or temporary. So you would use I am working now if it's happening just now. So to wrap up, we use present continuous for actions happening now or temporary actions. The form is that you must add a be verb plus ing. And it is usually used with time words like now, right now, or at the moment, or today. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening, and I can't wait to see you next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.